Konnichiwa sensei, watashi wa Jorex Makushi desu. Today I'm going to explain the Japanese demonstrative words kore, sore, and are. These words means this, that, and that over there, and they depend on how far the object is from the speaker and listener. Let's start with kore. Number one example is kore wa hon desu. Kore means this. Wa marks the topic. Hon means book. Des is the polite ending meaning is. So, in English, kore wa hon desu means this is a book. Second example is kore wa watashi no pen desu. Kore means this. Watashi no means my. So, in English, kore wa watashi no pen desu is this is my pen. Third example is kore wa uishi desu. Uishi means delicious. So in English, this is delicious. Number 4 example, kore wa atarashi keita desu. Atarashi means new. Keita means cell phone. So in English, this is my cell phone. This is my new cell phone. Last example of kore is kore wa inu no shashin desu. Inu means dog. No shows possession of. Sashin means picture. So kore wa inu no shashin desu means this is a picture of dog. So now let's move to sore. Sore is something near you. First example of sore is sore wa anata no kaban desu ka? Anata means you. No shows possession. Kaban means bag. Ka makes it a question. So in English, is that your bag? Second example of sore is sore wa kirei desu ne. Kirei means beautiful. Ne adds a friendly tone like isn't it? So sore wa kirei desu ne. In English, that is beautiful, isn't it? Third example of sore. Sore wa watashi no enpitsu ja arimasen. Watashi no means my. Enpitsu means pencil. Ja arimasen means is not. Sore wa watashi no enpitsu ja arimasen is in English, that is not my pencil. So it's closer to you, not to me. Fourth example is sore wa takai desu. Takai means expensive. So sore wa takai desu. In English, that is expensive. The thing is near you. Last example of sore is sore wa tokei desu. Tokei means watch or clock. That so in English, that is a watch. Next is are. Are in English is that over there. It's something far from both of us. To listener or for example, number 1, are wa yama desu. So yama means mountain. Are is something far from both of us. So in English, that over there, that over there is a mountain. It's far from both of us. Second is Are wa watashi tachi no gaku desu. Watashi tachi means we or us. No means of. Gakko means school. So in English, that over there is our school, or that is our school. It's far away from here. Third example is Are wa densha desu. Densha means train. So in English, that over there is a train. It's far from both of us. Fourth example is Are wa hoshi desu. Hoshi means star. So in English, that over there is a star. It's far in the sky. Last is Are wa jinja desu. Jinja means shrine. That over there is a shrine. It's far from both it's far from both of us. So that's how we use kore, sore, and are in Japanese. Kore means this for something near me. Sore means that for something near you. And are means that over there for something far from both of us. Arigatou gozaimasu.